Well, their big thing at the time was they said the Hemi won't fit.
It probably will.
Well, it actually fits after all.
Does it really?
It fits.
I love the skinnies. Oh my gosh.
The Hemi fits.
So what is this, direct connection?
This is direct connection. This is Dodge
This
themselves.
is actually Dodge?
Dodge themselves.
Put a Hemi in it. Oh my gosh.
It's a 5.8 liter aluminum block Hemi
No.
with a 3 liter Whipple supercharger on top, and it still fits.
No.
Yep.
This is an aluminum block 5.7.
It's 5.8.
Well, it's 5.7 board.
5.8 and change. Actually closer to 5.9.
But they're not going to redesign the whole thing. That would be way more expensive. Making it aluminum block, though, I think the bore spacing would have to be different because you're going to have to cut out and sleeve.
But it is an aluminum block.
And
Hemi.
maybe it's not a 5.7. If they designed an aluminum, but then it might not be, there's a lot. Because it might not be designed for production. It might be designed for a one-off.
That's what these are. These are the drag packs. So Dodge sells these to customers as drag packs.
No. Like the whole car or just the engine?
The whole car. They sell the whole car. They've done this for years but it was the Challenger before. It was a drag pack. It has no VIN number.
Like the 1470 or whatever, right? Or
No. That's a trim that you can still drive on the road. These don't have VIN numbers. They're not street legal cars. It's a direct connection product you can buy from them.
Okay.
That's hundreds of thousands of dollars. And you can bring it, you tow it on a trailer, bring it to a drag strip, you race it, you tow it home. You cannot drive it on the street. It doesn't have mirrors, doesn't have light. I mean, maybe it has lights, but
But look at that.
it fits.
It fits.
Do you know what is tickling my jimmies about this?
Please tell me about your Jimmies.
They've been experimenting with a 1,000 horsepower Hurricane 6-cylinder.
1,000 horsepower?
1,000 horsepower. Cat X. Because they had like the Cat 3 Hurricane, Cat 4 Hurricane.
Oh, category
for their crate engines. They had a Cat X they were developing with 1,000 horsepower. They had a Challenger drag pack. The last time they did the Challenger had the new Hurricane in there. I don't know how much power it made. They could have used the 6-cylinder here. With this is called the Hustle Stuff Charger. They could have used the 6-cylinder. They could have used it for this drag vehicle you can buy from Dodge. They chose, it was a conscious decision, to experiment with putting a Hemi in this car. They could have used the 6-cylinder. And if they were wanting to drive up the hype of the 6-cylinder, that's what they would have done. We made one of our drag pack cars with a 6-cylinder. Look at that. It's every bit as good as a Hemi. Mm-hmm. They would have done that. They didn't do that. They did something that was, I think, a lot more difficult, and they found a way to fit an aluminum Hemi in there.
I can't get over the fact that it's aluminum.
Yeah.
I know the Hemi just refers to the heads.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's an aluminum block. I don't know what the heads are made of, but
probably
I assume aluminum heads.
Aluminum magnesium blend, yeah.
There's no official horsepower numbers on this, but apparently it makes in the neighborhood of 1,500 horsepower. Yeah. It's pretty wild. How many pounds of boost?
The 5.7 can only handle 7 pounds of boost.
I don't think this is a standard 5.7.
No, well, I mean, different block entirely. But
yeah. You see, this is not a street legal car at all, right? Some things I noticed, how beefy those rear axles, first of all. Second, that radiator is slanted back, which I think is partly because the nose gets so pointy toward the front. And then, obviously, these headers collectors
dump right to the ground.
Yeah. So this is not a vehicle you can buy from Dodge and go drive around. They've made these drag track toys, right? Ford has made them, Chevy has made them, Dodge makes them. But this is the first year they're using a Charger, and they decided to work with a V8 and not their 6-cylinder, which I think is a conscious decision that was very intentional. Because if you're going to be making this car anyway, one of your drag packs to sell to people, why not use this as an opportunity to tinker under the hood with a V8? Not only can you fit a V8, you can slap a 3-liter Whipple supercharger on top.
That's huge. That's big. That's bigger than a Hellcat. Mm-hmm. Hellcat's 2.3.
Despite how big this is and how heavy it is, a lot of it's carbon fiber. Doors are carbon fiber, hood, front fascia, rear deck lid, roof. It's all carbon fiber. This actually weighs 100 pounds less than the Challenger drag pack.
That's cool. Mm-hmm. So what is this? 4,000 pounds?
I think these vehicles are pretty light. These are ground up race drag strip.
This has
toys.
more in common with a NASCAR than than a road car. Got it. So there's no interior whatsoever. So these are probably 34 then. Do they not say?
What?
The weight?
30. Oh, I don't know.
3,400 pounds.
I don't know how much it weighs, but they said it's 100 pounds less than the Challenger. You know, the Challenger, if you put these side by side, the Challenger is quite a bit smaller than this, which is crazy because the Challenger is a big car. All that nonsense about it not fitting, you can forget that. And it's not even a dry sump either.
No?
No, which you assume because of how low it is, you would have had to move the oiling system somewhere else, but no.
It does look like a Hot Wheel. Mm-hmm. It's kind of what we all want.
And it sounds so good.
Do you have an audio
I
clip?
don't, but it sounds so good. It's finally, it's like, that's what's missing from this car. Finally.
Does it look cooler now knowing it is a V8?
Yes. It looks, as you're hearing it, it looks so much cooler.